pala, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, group 4 and 5, no? 4 and 5. 5 and 6?
4 and 5.
4 and 5. Group 4 and 5. Group 4 and 5. So this is now the skin, the largest organ. Then you have now, and the skin is attached to the body because you may taba. You may taba, you call that the hypodermis. Okay. Now, the skin is divided as two division. You have the epidermis. Ito epidermis. Yan, epidermis. Ito epidermis. Yan epidermis. And the dermis. Ang dermis, mula rito, pababa. Mula rito, pababa. Bago mag-hypodermis. So, yan ang dermis. Now, the dermis has two parts. Yung pinaka-superficial, pinaka-thinnest na doon sa dalawa, yung merong hawakan niya ng mahawak na epidermis, ito, that is what we call papillary dermis. So from this point, mga papillary dermis yan. So from this point, pababa rito, you call that reticular dermis. Okay, reticular dermis na yan. Okay, now, you have to know what is thin skin and thick skin. Itong part na yan, thin skin. Itong part na to, thick skin. Sa thick skin, number 1, description, the epidermis napakakapal. Kasi 5 ang kanyang sublayer. And you can see the thick skin sa palm. The other, saka sa sole. Okay, the other, thin skin na. So, another pa, dito wala kang hair. Kaya wala kang hair follicle. Hair siya. Wala kang sebaceous gland. Pero pinapawisan. Kaya may sweat gland. Okay. So ito thin, thick, and thin and thick. So what are the sublayer ng epidermis? You have the stratum basale, stratum spinosum, yung kulay puti, stratum granulosum. Sa ibabaw ng granulosum, may kanal na yon, stratum lucidum. Tapos ito, pinakamakapal, stratum corneum. Okay, samantala sa thin skin, 3 lang. Stratum basale, stratum spinosum, stratum corneum. Okay. Now, dito, ito ang mga sweat gland. Okay, diretsyo sa surface ng skin. Samantala ito ang mga sebaceous gland. Kaya makita mo lang ang sebaceous gland sa thin skin. Wala sa thick skin kasi wala kang hair sa thick skin. So wala ka rin sebaceous gland doon. Okay? Now, pag may hair, may smooth muscle. Ang smooth muscle na yan, ang tawag arrector pili muscle. Okay? Tapos, isa pa, may mga tatawag nating receptors. So, yung nakita mo yan, mga nerve na yan, parang lollipop, that is for light touch. You call that the Meissner corpuscle. So, saan nakalagay ang Meissner corpuscle? Nakalagay siya sa papillary dermis. Pero meron isang malaking nerve ending, ito. You call that as the Pacinian corpuscle for deep touch. Mapansin mo sa papillary dermis, meron ka rin parang branching. We call that now as free nerve endings. That is for pain. Okay. So those are the things that you can see sa model, which I might ask 1 or 2 questions in your practical exam. Okay? Kanino ito? Kanino ito?